Back out with the Vortex, new location.
I'm gonna hit a rock.
Gonna tackle these rapids here.
Tackling the rapids.
Can we do it?
Tackling the rapids.
Has it got the power?
It actually hasn't.
It's not got the power. No.
It's gone. It's gonna.
Should have the power. Come on, bring it over here. Try again. Try again, boss. Get a big run up.
Again for me. Send
Go on, send it.
Send it like the cowboy would do. Sending it. It's not having it.
Oh, it is. It's doing it. Look, go on.
It's not having it.
Go on, it's doing it.
It's just not having it.
It is, boss. Look.
It's too strong.
It's beast, mate. It's doing it. Look.
It's gonna. It's gonna.
It's like a submarine. Which way you going with it, boss? Don't get stuck over there.
What shall I do these rapids?
And then we can do it again.
Rapids! I'm on! Oh yeah, I might make it.
Easy,
I made it.
easy.
No, I haven't. I'm moving.
Oh, turn it quick. Oh.
Boom! These rapids are hard. Try one more time, let's go. This boat is dead.
This is it. Right, it's slowing down a bit. Might have a bit of water in it, boss. Bring it over and we'll check.
I'm trying to push it!
Bring it over and we'll check, see if it's got water in it. That's why it's bogging down.
No.
It is, drive it over.
I'm trying it! He's coming back!
Bring it over, boss.
We're gonna
Cut off the engine when you get to the side. Oh yeah. Back out with the Vortex, guys. See if I can do it with one hand while filming. Bit of multitasking. Can we do it? Oh yes. Doing it. Beast, this little thing. The battery's going. I'll bring it over.
Dad, look at me. You're using water.
Yeah, keep your feet dry, boss.
This is dragging me like a rag doll. I'm trying again. If I don't, I want to do the renegade. I've got no idea what that is though. No, it's just bogged.
Oh, stay away from that edge, boss.
Yeah! It's going with it.
Oh no, engine's cut out. Engine failure. Back out with the Vortex. The rapids.
That's what we got.
Can it handle it?
Of course it can. It's a speedboat. Bop, 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 bop. And it can. It's going.
I'll turn it quick before it gets bogged on that side.
Bobby.
Yeah.
That was good. You're going over here. You dodged it.
Is he going to do it? Is he going to bog down?
Let me go. I will through. I will push through.
Oh, will he push through?
I will. He's through to
Oh, he's doing it.
He can, I don't think.
Oh.
He's turning around and trying again. Oh, he's bugging!
He's doing it.
Bug. I'm trying to pull.
Oh.
Oh, these are rapids are too strong, man. I don't think I'll make it.
Will we make it? Comment down below. Will we make it through the rapids?
Oh, wait, he bugged. I'm pretty full of rock. And it's not going anywhere. Come on, little one. You can do it. It's done it!
Oh, nearly.
He just dropped. Dropped again.
Oh, he's done it, he's done it. He's done it, he's through. He's
No, he hasn't.
through.
He's
No.
He's pushing back.
No.
I'm trying again. I'm trying to plug in. I think I know what we stopped. All of the rocks. Let me know. That's full front.
That's not full
Yeah,
front.
look.
Can't be.
That's
Watch all the rocks there. Look, you're in the rocks, boss. Come on.
Let me see.
Oh, you beach now. Send it to the left.
The rapids! Let's go with it. Nice.
Nice. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys.
This goes all the way down there.
All the way down there.
It's drifting away.
Oh no. Malfunction.
Just kidding. I'm going to try and drive up it. And it's going. It's going. It's going.